Here we go. Ready to rock and roll. Nazim, you're like a bug. Will you please find some place to light? Okay?
The video stopped.
What do you mean the video stopped? Did it really? You're gonna... Really nice. Really nice. They're making fun of me. They're being made fun of by 15-year-olds. Okay. All right, so let's do this. Okay, now. It says 2 aluminums, 1 iron 2 oxide yields 3 irons and 2 aluminum oxides. Now, this is the question. If I said that this was 2.6 moles of that chemical, how many moles of everything else would I need or produce? If this was 2.6 moles, how much would that be?
1.3 moles.
Well, it would be, I'd be comparing aluminum, correct? 2 aluminum with iron oxide, correct? 2 over 1, correct? Yes, 2 over 1.
2.6 over x.
2.6 over x. So solve for x.
2.6
No, he
divided
said
by
1.3.
1.3.
I said that from the beginning.
You said 1.45. 1.3.
No, I know. Mima got it right, I know.
Hey, c'est aussi, hein.
You said 3.3.
I understand. So now, how much iron would I produce? How many moles of iron?
Times 3 is going to be 3.9.
3.9.
Oh, you know, much back in the second class.
See, you just have to say, this is 1 to 3. Now, if I want to do this, it would just be 2 to 3 equals 2.6 to x, correct? Same.
Yes.
It was easy here because it was 2 to 1. Well done, I'm very impressed, okay? You get 1.3, okay? This is 2, correct? 2 to 2, so what would this be?
7.9.
7.9?
2.6.
7.8.
2.6. Because it's 2 to 2. So 2.6, so 2 is to 2, as 2.6 is to what? It would have to be 2.6. I don't even want to know where you got 8 or whatever it is you said.
I did.
No, that's okay. We're good. Yes, there's an infinite number of wrong answers, and that's okay. I'm not mocking you as you mocked me before I turned on the camera, but I'm not mocking you. Okay.
Okay, next.
All right, next. Okay, we have an impatient member of the audience here. Okay, so let's say I get 40 grams of this. How much of this am I going to produce? So instead of writing the stoichiometric masses for the whole thing, I just want these two, correct? So what is 2 times 27? The atomic weight of aluminum is 27. 2 times 27 is 54, correct?
Yes.
Iron is 64? No, 56. Iron is 56. So 3 times 56 would be 168. Correct? Yes? So, if I have 54 grams here, I'm going to produce 168 grams there. But I only have 40 grams. So, it would be 2 aluminums over 3 irons equals 54
It's going to be
over 168 equals 40 over x. What do we got? What is 168 times 40 divided by 54?
124.4.
120. Can we just say 124? Is that okay? Correct? Yes? Use mass numbers. If there was a mass problem, I'm not going to say, well, it's 123.6, 144.8. It won't be that close. correct? So just use mass numbers. Have a little round off error, and understand that the multiple choice answers might be written according to the average atomic masses, as opposed to mass numbers. Okay? Mass, easy?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna on that forever. Okay, that's okay. All right, now, let's say, we can't use this reaction. So let's take another reaction. Let's say, let's take the go-to reaction. Right? Now, the reason I like this is that they're all gases. So I can do, let's start off with volume. Volume is the easiest. Let's start off with mole, not volume. So let's say this was 27 moles. How much would this be?
X. Put X.
How many moles, if I have 27 moles of hydrogen, if I have 27 moles of hydrogen, how many moles of nitrogen will I need?
9.
9. Because it's 3 to 1. Correct? It's 3 to 1. Right? Yes? Mole, right?
Yes.
And this would be what? Right? So that's mole. Yes? Easy? You have to know mole. Now, what about volume? Let's say I have 27 liters. Something, we'll make it easy. 27 liters. How many liters of that will I need?
9 liters.
9 liters. And
18
liters. Correct? Yes?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
I just use something that's divisible. It's easy. I could say 100. I can say 100 liters. Okay, so what's a third of 100?
300.
We'll say 33. We'll round it. Okay? We'll round down 33, correct? And then how many liters here? You just got to keep your wits about you. Then that would be 67, right? Right? Because this is 33.3, really.
Yes.
So this would be 66.6 or 67, correct? Excuse me? Because, this is the key, the volume of any gas in STP is 22.4 liters. Okay, now, if the temperature and the conditions are not STP, but all of the gases are under the same conditions, then the volumes will be the same. The molar volumes will be the same, always. So, if I have 3 moles of this, 1 mole, 2 moles. 27, 9, 18. See how it's related to the mole? 3, 1, 2. 27, 9, 18. 133, 67. 3, 1, 2. Correct? It's related to the mole ratio. That's it. Okay? Now, mass, volume, and volume mass, I'm not repeating it. There are some I did yesterday after school. Yeah. Yes. We have a question.
Is it supposed to be 66?
Excuse me? Yes, but remember, I'm just saving round off error. A third of 100 is 33.3, so I rounded to 33, correct? But 2/3 of 100 is 66.6, right? Which rounds to 67. That's all. Correct? Yes? We're off.